Shall I park it inside?
Park it inside.
Yeah. I'm extremely sorry, guys. It took a bit of time to work on Maya. I'm extremely sorry again. Guys, if you just give me a minute so I can just wash my face.
Yeah, sure.
We're just working on it.
Yeah.
Ask me, I have a big thali and I've been running around from morning. Where shall we start? We have got our brothers. You would have seen him in the previous vlog, and people would have seen him in the old vlogs. And one of the best reviewers of Goa, man.
Yeah.
And biker from Russia. And Apna Kaka, person who in 2009 Cafe Bullet Goa, and the way Cafe Bullet Goa grew and started, and the way we established a community over here of riding and helping bikers. Let it be in Goa or outside Goa, and one person who is here. And Cafe Bullet Goa team itself is a team which was like initially 2009 में उतने motorcycling clubs नहीं थे यहाँ पे, and these guys they took an initiative and they made Rider Mania happen. One of the people, because of them, Rider Mania came into existence. उसके बाद ही IBW and all those things came here in Goa. So अपना सीनियर लोग हैं, पात्रम लोग. So, any questions? Because इतना सब कुछ बोल रहा हूँ. If you guys can start asking me questions, it will be easier to take the conversation ahead. No upgrade. No upgrade. No. For me, she has been with me for 7 years. Today we checked, she has clocked around 1,47,200 or something. And she's still strong, man. And I prefer a motorcycle without any technology, where I can just put the key, switch it on and go. No modes I require. It is only one mode what I have. It is raw mode. No traction control, no ABS. And she's good. Yeah, whenever a new motorcycle comes, obviously you have the urge of upgrading, but kahin na kahin you have your love also, right? Yeah, and we are from a time where we love commitments.
Start from nothing.
Started from nothing. He knows. Where we had to get our motorcycle, work in Rider Mania day and night, design the racetrack, work as a Amali, work as
Break your
a...
bones by design.
Yeah, break your bones while designing, and still race. Still race. Still on the track, and not sleep for two weeks. So this is how for me Goa and motorcycling is.
Crazy.
Nothing crazy, man. It's love. I don't say that. If you think you are crazy, then you won't do anything crazy.
Crazy can be valid in many ways.
Yeah.
Unless you do shit.
See, till you don't touch the ground, and you are in one piece, and you are not creating ruckus to other people, then it is all good. If you are creating problems on road, and you are putting yourself into trouble and you are putting other people into trouble, then it is something which should not be there. Motorcycling is an expression, right? Expression of what you feel. It's like a dance, it's like meditation, it's like everything. It's an art. Because it is passion, Baba. It's passion towards motorcycle. It's love. If you are looking at a motorcycle, what do you write? Okay, you want to see it on this? Yeah. This is a loaded one now. And there are tools, right? There are tools. The vehicle is loaded. Anybody who want to test the weight can test the weight. But when you know the CG point, right? She is like a feather. समझे? मीन्स ये पेट्रोल मिल रहा है, उसका वो पेट्रोल जो आगे स्लैप हो रहा है ना, उसका इंडिविजुएशन है. वरना I can also flip it, hold it over here, and you can leave it also. नहीं, weight है ना, if you know the CG point, right, the center of gravity, the vehicle will take the weight on its own. And when you know that, and you put your strength to the motorcycle strength, which is this point, if I have to move forward, I can just hold the clutch because it's in the air. Fingers, it will do the job. Take it back, it will do the job. And if I have to move from, chalo, सबसे मुश्किल चीज, center stand. Nothing, हाथ भी नहीं है. And the weight what I have put is nothing. It's just ये है ना, इसके सेंटर पे रखा हूँ. I have not put any weight on my calf. Okay. And this point is where you get your hinge point, and this you get your balance point. So what you do is from here, it is on its own. Center of gravity where a motorcycle can balance on its own. Second thing is when you are dancing with someone, it can a female. Obviously you have that fear, right? Because of that fear you don't have an approach. Because you don't have an approach, you don't have that confidence. Thank you. Confidence is first thing on a motorcycle. Second is when you break that and you go next to it and start getting used to it. One is center of gravity. Second is balance point. Third is your riding posture. अभी riding posture क्या है? ये No, I'll just get her fit ahead. किसी को वेट टेस्ट करना है इसका?
I would love to get on this.
Please. This side. This side आना. नहीं, don't think. मैं around. If I'm around, it's okay.
Hanuman.
Nah, Munna, you are going to.
Okay.
Yeah. Spray here. Anybody wants to try? Please. Balance. No. First of all, the whole body position. No. Thank you. नहीं, छोड़ दो. Anybody wants to try?
See, but it's experience.
Good one. And your name? Manoj, good. So, he got the body posture. He put his strength. सभी लोगों ने क्या किया? They tried to use their strength in a wrong place. You are trying to do it from here. You are trying to do it from here. But that guy, he got the point. Why? He got the point. पक्का रॉयल एनफील्ड पहले चलाता था. Okay. Anybody? You want to play?
Actually, I learned from him how to pull up my.
That's why. See, riding community is all about that, dude. It's about sharing your stories and whatever you have learned.
But then
It's very easy.
Actually, in the old days, to bring up a kinetic Honda on stand was difficult.
oh, the stand.
It is so simple. You put on both sides. You go to the bottom. You put it
कहाँ
up.
पे पकड़ना है? बस
Touch both the sides.
both the side. Now
Pull one stretch.
you're pulling from your this thing. देख छोड़ो छोड़ो गाड़ी पे
Kinetic Honda काढून द्या.
इधर
बस.
प्लास्टिक है सेंटर पॉइंट पकड़ो ताकत मत लगाओ इधर यू जस्ट हैव टू फाइंड दैट सेंटर पॉइंट ताकत नहीं डिड यू फाइंड दैट फेदर पॉइंट वेयर इट इज बैलेंसिंग ऑन इट्स ओन राइट लीव दैट लीव सी सेंटर पॉइंट right? You need to find that point on your leg where the vehicle is balancing its own weight. Okay, you want to try?
I want to see if I can manage this.
पहले सेंटर पॉइंट सीजी पे लेके आओ. Look up. No, forget it. Strain कर लो. No, you will strain. ना पहले सेंटर पे दोनों साइड टच होना है. गुड बट नो. नहीं. ओके चलो छोड़ो छोड़ो ये छोड़ दो आया मेरे अगल बगल में होती है ना so you need not have to worry. See here I'm not even touching. It is on its own, right? I'm not even pressing also. Okay. Second, my glutes, chest is over here. Okay. I'm using my front glutes, and what I'm doing is just compress. Up. Didn't even hold. Just.
अभी बज गया टाइम 9:54 और अब तक अपने फैमिली यानी अपनी डिजिटल फैमिली के साथ मैं वक्त बिता रहा था. वेरी स्वीट गाइज एंड वेरी हम्बल गाइज एंड दे वर सो मच ऑफ फन. आई लव माई डिजिटल फैमिली यार, कसम से बोलता हूँ. अभी आई हैव टू राइड अनदर 80 किलोमीटर्स 79-80 किलोमीटर्स टुवर्ड्स साउथ एंड मिस्टर राम इज़ वेटिंग ओवर देयर. और आज के लिए बस इतना ही. मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड में विद अ न्यू प्लेस. चाओ.